Alright, go ahead.
Hi guys.
Alright, take two.
Hi guys. Nathan. Today we're gonna do the oil change on a Subaru FRS.
Scion. It's a Scion.
That's a Toyota. Scion.
Scion, Toyota,
Whatever you want
Subaru,
to call it.
same thing, whatever you want to call it. So, gonna need a 14 ratchet or wrench, oil filter wrench, some oil, and oil filter. First things first, dipstick out, oil cap loose, oil filter loose, and let's break loose.
You're gonna go under, right? Okay.
Break loose the engine.
I don't know if this is getting it.
Loosen the 14 and drain out the old oil. After that, then we can loosen the oil filter all the way so we don't make a mess. And there you go. No mess. So what we have here, Subaru filter and some Kirkland oil.
Only the best.
Next we'll clean out the filter housing. Before we put in the new filters. New washer for drain plug.
And those you don't need to put oil.
O-ring is pre-lubricated, so no need for oil. Install the oil filter. Hand tight. And that's good. No need to over tighten. And I screwed up.
This is what happens when you're a rookie.
Now if you screw up like me and left the drain plug in the oil, now you gotta dig it out.
Just like all the Instagram mechanics.
It's okay.
And that's hot oil. Woo, slippery. Found it.
Nobody's perfect, okay?
Oh man.
Here's a rag, Nathan.
I got struggle of a backyard mechanic.
Says the Master Tech.
That's why we do things in the shop, man.
We're all Master Techs and we look like rookies.
Alright. Wipe off the excess oil. Install the new drain plug with the new brush washer. Clean the drain plug down. Snug and then a quarter turn. That's good.
Perfect. Nice and clean.
Alright.
It's already open.
Now we'll add the new oil. Start with 4 quarts and we'll recheck. There should be a measurement here. So go down to 1 quart. And that would be 4 quarts in. In, we'll recheck it.
5.7 quarts with filter.
Scratch that, 5 quarts, and we'll recheck.